Kingston, Jamaica, man, and we're about to enter the slums right now. This area, you don't want to talk with an accent, because if they hear you talk with an accent, they know you're a foreigner, so they're going to overprice you or they're going to try to get you. So when we talk about sketchy, this is one of the most sketchiest areas. I'm going to just do a quick tour and I'm out. I don't plan to stay too long. So we're going to get this done and over with. We're going to make it quick, very, very quick. You hear? Very, very quick. So let's get it.
Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon. I hope you're all well wherever you are. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Robbie Masaga, for those who don't know me. If you're new here, you're most welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, guys, I'm really thankful for the support that you're all giving me. And also, if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's grow this channel together. Yeah. Now, today I want us to talk about a certain guy I was watching earlier. He's a Black American guy. I'm not sure though. He's black. He was in Kingston, Jamaica, and he was saying how unsafe Kingston was. But I've watched several videos about Kingston. Some are saying that Kingston it's a dangerous place to be, and some are saying that Kingston is a nice place to visit. Now, I want you guys to watch this video first. Then later, I want you also to watch Wodemaya's video in Jamaica and Dimwango. I want us to compare. Why are some people saying that Kingston is safe while we can see on other videos that Kingston is a nice place and a safe place to be? Yeah, so let's first watch this video, then we continue.
Kingston, Jamaica, man, and we're about to enter the slums right now. This area, you don't want to talk with an accent, because if they hear you talk with an accent, they know you're a foreigner, so they're going to overprice you or they're going to try to get you. So when we talk about sketchy, this is one of the most sketchiest areas. I'm going to just do a quick tour and I'm out. I don't plan to stay too long. So we're going to get this done and over with. We're going to make it quick, very, very quick. You hear? Very, very quick. So let's get it. What I want? Bless. Respect.
Get it.
Yeah, guys, so normally when I walk through these areas, I like to talk and interview people and talk to people, but man, as you can see, this place is so rugged and rough to where I'm just walking through and just getting a couple glimpses, but I'm not trying to record many people or nothing like that, because it's just kind of, you know what I mean? Like, you can see it for yourself, so you already know. You see it for yourself how it is, so you already know. So definitely not going to be interviewing anybody. I'm not even trying to interview anyone, because I feel like I could be interviewing somebody, because somebody could snatch the phone, snatch my camera. So I would say out of all the places I recorded, this is probably one of the most roughest looking one out of all of them. Most roughest looking spot. Like, everybody just looks mean. Like, people just look mean. They look unhappy. They just, you know what I mean? Like, they're not smiling. It's like it's a struggle. It's a struggle out here, and the struggle is real. But a lot of the vendors, they're trying to, this is the best time to come, so it's a crowd, because before it gets dark, they start selling it cheaper. And also, from what I've heard, let me put the camera down, hold on. Watch it. I see him. So like I was saying, so what happens is, another reason why they start selling it cheap, well, a lot of the gangs, they come here and collect money from some of these people because they know at the end of the day that's when people have money. So they try to come here and collect money, kind of like extortion. So there's a lot of extortion going on in this area. A lot of extortion. So some of the workers, they're trying to leave before the gangsters.
We've all watched that guy's video, and honestly, I didn't see anything that could threaten anybody's life there. I didn't even see anyone looking suspicious, anyone who looked like was going to steal that guy's phone. He kept saying that I fear my phone is going to be snatched away, my camera is going to be snatched away, but no one looked suspicious at all. The entire video, no one looked suspicious. And this makes me wonder, why go to a place when you already know that that place is dangerous, only to damage the image of that place? Because if the guy was already told Kingston is not safe, why go to Kingston and make a video which is not showing anything close to being dangerous? Yeah, people were going about their business. We saw people selling food, buying food, walking around, chatting around. No one looked like a threat to anyone. How many people have watched this guy's video? Over 1 million. Now, if these 1 million people haven't done their own research about Jamaica, already they believe that Kingston is a very dangerous place to be. Watching a lot of fake news can mislead people. You end up hating a place because you heard someone saying that that place was dangerous to be. Yeah. When I heard about travel advisory against Jamaica, honestly, I was among those people who thought Jamaica was a very dangerous place for anyone to go to. But after doing my research, I came to learn that Jamaica was a safe place. People were enjoying life. Yeah, we also, even right now, people are still enjoying life. We have our own Kenyan people who went to Jamaica. The likes of Dimwango, she was in Jamaica. Miss Trudy was also in Jamaica with her husband, Wodemaya. Yeah, and nothing bad happened to them. Yeah, actually, I'm going to play for you.
Guys, welcome to downtown Kingston. Everybody told me not to come here, but to me, it's really okay. It's like just like Gikosh. Like everything is pretty okay to me. Wow. Lots of clothes.
Video the bundle.
Sorry?
Video the bundle.
I videoed that. Oh,
show
okay.
them Wagwan.
Okay, Wagwan, my
Prime
sister.
Minister born we out. Show them.
Oh, the Prime Minister.
Yeah.
Oh, he's doing a good job, right? So they're telling me to show you guys the Prime Minister is doing a good job here. You guys, my guys. Downtown, the busiest street here. I'm showing you guys, despite everybody warning me not to come here, I came, and everything to me is really okay, you know? Wow. I don't know why everybody was warning me. Hi. Everybody was warning me not to come here. But I'm here and I'm like, it feels okay to me. Wow, guys, this is downtown.
You are downtown Kingston.
Okay, thank you.
Market, and this is Bedford Street.
Okay. Okay, wow, but I didn't expect this to happen in my country. They couldn't give it back to me.
Which country?
I'm from Kenya.
Kenya? Nairobi?
Yeah, Nairobi.
Kenya?
Yeah.
So you come to Jamaica by yourself?
Yeah, by myself. I'm here by myself just to check out Jamaica. I love Jamaica.
You love Jamaica?
Yeah.
Wow!
Mm-hmm.
I wish you the best here in Jamaica.
Yeah,
Thank you,
brother,
thank
man.
you.
Yeah, man.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah, man, no
Where
problem.
can I get some juice, fresh juice?
Go.
Oh, okay. And Kingston, Jamaica, guys. So now it's time for me to go back home And thank you so much, David. I appreciate it.
Yeah,
I want to
sure.
catch a bus from this area, and I want to see you on my next one. Thanks for watching. Welcome to Jamaica. So that's how it has been. So to me, it's safe, man. Don't be like so scared to listen what people tell you out there. Don't go, don't go. I've been here by myself, and that's how it has.
So we've all seen that Dimwango had a very wonderful time at Kingston, Jamaica, yeah? Nothing showed that she was under any threat. She walked around with her gadgets. She came out with them, yeah? So people, before you judge a place, do research, do enough research, yeah? And if at all in your heart you feel like that place is very dangerous to go to, please don't go to that place only to damage the image of that area, yeah? Just recently, Wodemaya went to Jamaica together with his wife. There's a lot of videos of him and his wife on YouTube. Go and watch. You will see what I'm trying to talk about is true. There's nothing that shows us is a threat, or rather is that Kingston or Jamaica is not safe place to go to.
Out there, this is the only flag in the world that does not contain the color blue, white, and red. That's a fun fact as a gift for you all. Welcome to downtown Kingston, Jamaica.
In Jamaica, we call them chichibos.
Chichibos.
Chichi, yeah.
And in Ghana, we just say, you go in last one, last two, Kadeshi, last one. How do you do it? You do that
We
here?
say in Jamaica, one already, two on move. One already, two
But
on
it's
move.
always a lie.
Always alive, because one already mean they probably have about 10 more people I'm waiting on, and they're not quite ready. But yeah.
Anytime we say last one, last two, the bus is literally empty. I think we gotta give it a shot, man.
Yeah?
We gotta give it a shot. Hi. Wow, you loading?
Oh, you know,
Huh? You my load. Yeah, so we also say loading. Hi. I'm from Africa, Ghana. Nice to meet you all. Yeah.
So I'm just trying to see the similarities between Ghana, where he's from, and Jamaica, which is
it's the same
pretty much
thing.
the same, you know. So.
Wow, we feel like home, you know. I feel like I'm in Ghana. Can I shake your hands, Mama? Nice one, nice one. Mama, can I shake your hands? Accra.
Most people who produce videos about Kingston saying that the place is very dangerous to go to, you watch the entire video only to realize that there is no enough evidence showing that the place is dangerous. Yeah, people are just spreading fake information out here about a place, about a country. Yeah, you're trying to put fear in people, yeah, so that people can't travel to a certain country, which is not good. So people, before you judge a place, or before you decide that, no, I'm not going to go to this place, at least do your own research first. Make sure that you have enough information about a particular place, yeah? I believe that every country has that one place that is not so safe for anyone to go to. Even in Kenya, we have phone snatchers. It's not like we don't have to. Even for us, you enter in a bus. If the window is open, your phone is snatched away, but that does not mean that that place is not safe for you to go to. Yeah, it does not mean that if you go to that place you won't come out alive. So people, first do research about a place before listening to every information that you hear out here about a place being dangerous. And finally, we need to consider what makes a place dangerous. For me, I would say that joblessness, idleness in youth makes a place dangerous. Why? Because these people have nothing constructive to do. In the end, they abuse drugs, they practice crime, making a place dangerous. Yeah, so I think whoever that is to be blamed in this case is the government. Why? Because they're the ones who are supposed to equip our youths. They're the ones who are supposed to create job opportunities for the youths so that they don't become idle. Yeah, because an idle mind at the end of the day, it's the devil's workshop. So do research, people. Do research first. Before traveling to any place, do research. Don't just listen to anyone who's talking. People out here are making content. They just want to damage a country because they want content to feed their audience. Yeah, so don't listen to everything you see or everything you hear. Yeah, please do research.